What if I told you that your brain isn't aging the way you think it is? That even memory loss, fog, and emotional dullness, the things we blame on age, can actually be reversed? Here's the shocking part. Your brain can literally rebuild itself. All it needs is one thing. And no, it's not a pill or a supplement. It's human connection. Loneliness isn't just a feeling. It's a biological stress signal. Recent studies from Harvard and UCLA show that social isolation shrinks the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. In fact, chronic loneliness increases dementia risk by over 50%. It's like starvation, but for your neurons. Yet millions of adults spend their days scrolling instead of connecting, slowly watching their cognitive health fade. The good news: the brain isn't fixed, it's plastic. That means it constantly rewires itself, forming new neural pathways whenever we learn, move, or emotionally connect. According to Stanford Neuroscience Lab, even a single meaningful social interaction can spark neurogenesis, the birth of new brain cells, especially in areas tied to memory and empathy. So when you laugh with a friend, help a neighbor, or even talk to your pet, you're not just boosting mood, you're rebuilding your brain. Researchers at the University of Oxford followed adults over 10 years. Those who maintained regular social contact had brains that looked 5 years younger than their isolated peers. Why? Because connection triggers dopamine and oxytocin, the very chemicals that protect neurons from inflammation and aging. In other words, connection is neuroprotective medicine. So where do you start? It's simpler than you think. Call an old friend, adopt a pet, volunteer once a week, schedule a daily video chat. Every connection you make strengthens the wiring in your brain, literally repairing the circuits loneliness once eroded. Take the case of Eleanor, a retired teacher who struggled with brain fog and forgetfulness. Instead of medication, her neurologist suggested joining a local community choir. 6 months later, MRI scans showed improved activity in her prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus and planning. Her secret? She found purpose again through connection. Connection therapy is now being recognized worldwide. The National Institute on Aging recommends weekly social engagement as one of the top 3 non-medical strategies for brain health, alongside movement and nutrition. Community programs, volunteer networks, even virtual meetups can help rebuild not just minds, but meaning. Because dementia isn't destiny. It's often the result of habits we can still change. Your brain is waiting for a signal, and that signal is connection. So start today. Call someone, walk with someone, share a meal. Because every healthy choice, every conversation, every moment of care is your brain healing itself in real time. And if you want to keep discovering more science-backed secrets about reversing brain aging naturally, hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, and join us next time as we reveal how one simple morning drink could help reverse your brain age.